Guess who's back? It's me! And surprise! Hello Kitty! Due to your massive support on our last collabs with Hello Kitty and friends and your overwhelming requests to bring it back, we're doing just that, but we're making it even better. So, are you ready to check out our new collection? Let's go! For this collab, we wanted to make the cutest collection yet. Think picnic party with friends. We took things up a notch with elevated finishes and designs that are wearable for every day, while still packing a punch of style that will turn heads. Each product in this collection is designed to bring more fun and flair to your beauty routine. In this versatile and adorable picnic basket, you'll find 6 playful press-on nails inspired by your favorite Sanrio characters. I personally love this Hello Kitty nail set. It showcases this gorgeous pink and red Hello Kitty graphic in a dimensional velvet finish. It's so cute. We also included an exclusive Hello Kitty and Friends brush-on nail glue with the same strong-holding, durable formula you know and love, plus a wearable everyday lash extension kit to pay homage to our first Sanrio collaboration of lashes. It's so kawaii and honestly, one of my favorite lash extension styles we've ever launched. We're giving you everything this time around. Get ready to shop this collection on Glamnetic.com starting August 29th and in store at Ulta on September 1st. We can't wait to see your Sanrio savvy looks.